and salutations, YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Today we are in the I bit my tongue. We're in the city of Santa Ana at the Goodwill here on Grand Avenue. So if you guys want to come check it out, tell them Hadrian sent you. But if you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls, vlogs, home decor, I am doing Thriftmas and Vlogmas this whole month of December. So I'm posting 2 videos every single day. One thrifting and one vlog. So don't forget to subscribe with the little bell button so you're notified when those videos they go up. I'm on Instagram. It's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here. Check out my shop, it's Hadrian.com to see what are for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head to the store and go check it out. Okay, just got into the store. Let's check out the handbags. Sometimes they have good bags here. Sometimes they don't, like any other store, but always hopeful. And we're gonna find something really good. There's like this mulberry-ish, Proenza-ish looking bag right there. Oh hey, check it out. There is this fossil, and it wants to come home with me. I think it will. It's like a beautiful mint color. It's not too dirty on the inside. It's only $7.99. I do enjoy this mint color, which is very cool. Alright, you guys, my phone died. Oh, my camera died. And I don't want to go back outside to get my bags. I totally just left it in the car. And no, I shouldn't do that, but I did. And I left my batteries over there, but I don't want to wait in line again. So, just looking through here. Kenneth Cole. This looks like a Mark. Oh, it is a Mark by Marc Jacobs. It is a hot mess though. Like super beat up. I do love these Mark by Marks though, but we're not getting this today. It looks kind of like, I don't even know. So I'm looking at the jackets. Shut the front door. I've always wanted one of these. Anti-social social club. Oh my gosh, that's so me. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's only $7.99. Okay, so now I'm just looking through the rest of the store. I'm so excited about my jacket. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting one of these jackets for so long. Or like a shirt. Just one of these in general. Trying to see if you have like any Hydro Flasks or Yetis or anything. Okay, just checking out the furniture section. Look at all the Christmas trees. This little side table is kind of interesting, gold and black. Oh, little bumblebee. We have a lot of wheelchairs. Let's look over here. I see something shiny, so I have to go look at it first, of course. Kind of like these glasses. They're interesting. I like the shape of these too. You guys, I'm like officially a Visco girl. I don't know why. I've been finding like these Hydro Flasks everywhere. This one looks like it's $10. It looks like someone was using it, obviously. It has stickers all over. It has like a little dent right there, but I mean, it's not the worst. I don't know, we're gonna think about it. I'm just gonna hold on to it. We're gonna continue searching. Maybe there's another Hydro Flask in here somewhere. I do like the top though. Oh my gosh, powered by unicorn farts. That cup is so hilarious. Okay, now we're in the mug section. Look at that Pokemon one. That would have been epic, but like all the print is coming off, unfortunately. Look at this honeycomb glass. That's cool. They have a million of those like back pillows. Let's see what we have over here. They still have those 210 Boulevard St. Germain bowls. Those have been here for a hot second. Let's see what we can find over here. Oh my gosh, that doll is like so haunted. Oh my god, that one has like red eyes or something. Oh, this is like a really cute shaped jug pitcher, whatever that is. Someone was checking to see what the make was. For sure. This is cool. This is super heavy too. I don't see any markings on it though. Alrighty. Huh. They're kind of pretty. Bless you. Okay, I forgot to look at this side when I was walking through here. Oh my gosh, please be Le Creuset. Le Creuset, Le Creuset, Le Creuset. Le Creuset! $1.99! Ooh, I like the color. Cute. Love it. I call these like personal pan Le Creusets. Then you can just like make a serving for like one or two. This is perfect for some sushi bake or something like that. Hey guys, okay, so we are back at the house and I am just like looking super duper shiny today, but I'm really excited to share with you guys what we ended up getting today from the Goodwill. So let me start off first with this because I cannot believe we finally found another Le Creuset piece, albeit this is like tiny. It's like the size of my hand almost, but it's so cute. It's perfect for like a personalized little sushi bake, and Elizo and Cade actually love sushi bakes, so this would be like the perfect size for them. Like I feel like this is how much Elizo and maybe Cade eat together, or maybe one of them can eat this much. Anyway, it's a beautiful blue, so I already know Elizo's gonna want it because anything blue, he's like, hey, that's blue, that's mine. So he will love this. It still has like the sticker on the bottom, which is crazy, which means it's probably never been used since the sticker is still intact. It's probably just been sitting in storage somewhere, and it was only $1.99. So that makes me so super duper happy. I'm so happy, so excited for this little piece. But yeah, little Le Creuset. We've been like manifesting a Le Creuset piece for the longest time, and like let's just put this more into the, like we're looking for like maybe a Le Creuset Dutch oven. Like that would be fantastic. If anyone has found a larger Le Creuset piece that's like a baking or cooking piece or something, comment down below, because I need something to like hold on to. I need some hope that I'm gonna find something amazing like that. Actually, one of you guys sent me a message and you found like this little it was like a Le Creuset something, but it was like a small sort of like container thing, I think. And I remember who it was. It was Molly. So Molly, I don't even remember what it was, but like that like gave me like a glimmer of hope, and that's like when I was like, you know what, we're gonna find a piece. And that was like last week, and here we are with our Le Creuset. So very, very happy about that. And then with another piece that I've been trying to manifest for a long time, I can't believe I finally found one of these, and it was at the thrift store, but we found, this was also on the new rack of clothing that they just brought out, and they don't do this normally anymore at most of the thrift stores that I visit, and I don't know if they do that at your local thrift stores or Goodwills or whatever, but most the Goodwills that I go to now, they don't allow you to shop off of like the new cards that they bring out. They'll like bring stuff out like one by one, or like they'll have a card that you can't touch unless like that the person at the store physically takes the item out and puts it on the shelf or the rack or whatever. But this particular one allows you to still look through like the new clothing racks that they wheel out, and the carts full of like items they're gonna put out onto the floor. So but always check those new cards, because those are the like that's the newest stuff that's getting put out into the store. So it hasn't been really picked over yet by anyone, which is fantastic. And I think the one that I was looking, like the rack that I was looking at, like it was new. It was like on a rack, not put out like onto the floor, like exactly like it was still in the rolling rack. But like it was like half the size. So I feel like the people that were working there have already worked on the rack, and I'm sure people have shopped it. So this was crazy finding this piece, because this is like, anyway, I talk so much, I'm so sorry. But this is the an anti-social social club hoodie, which I am so excited about. I've always wanted one of these. And the back has the floral design, anti-social social club. So excited about it. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm gonna wash it tonight. Or, no, I'm not going to wash it tonight. That's crazy. It's already late. I'll wash it this weekend, and I'll wear it sometime next week. But I'm very, very, very excited about this piece. This is like Merry Christmas to me, Le Creuset, and Anti-Social Social Club. I'm so excited. But yeah, anyway. So there's that. Then, what else do I have? Okay, so the next, we have this beautiful fossil tote in a like a mint green color. I love these totes. This is like one of my favorite fossil totes that they have. I just like the design of it. It's like very simple and classic, but yet like it has like modern lines with like how they did the handles. I love like this design of the stitching. Zipper pull is super fun, and there's also this great pocket in the back, perfect for like your keys or your phone, something you need to really easy access to. And the whole bag does zip close, which is always nice with a tote, especially like a larger one. You want to be able to keep your stuff safe. Like I know totes sometimes it's just like gaping open, like the never full and stuff like that. But this one does zip close. So there is also one zipper pocket in the interior. It has 3 card slots and then 4 open pockets. So beautiful bag, very excited. I'm hoping that I can clean the stuff off of the front, but I think it'll come, I feel like it's just like a superficial like dirt stain or something, so I think that'll come off pretty easily. Oh, actually I have 2 more items. I thought I only had 1. So they had this, these sunglasses. I'm actually gonna send these to my aunt in the Philippines, because she's been wanting like new sunglasses, and I know she likes this shape. She loves Marc Jacobs, and she wants like a larger pair of sunglasses. Look how cute these are. Like they're not cute on me, but like they're gonna be cute on my aunt. Like I already know it. And like she loves the glitter, so there's glitter on the inside. It's a dark tortoise shell, so sometimes it can almost look black, but it's like brown, like a dark brown tortoise shell. So, and then it has like that fun pop of glitter on the inside of the arms of the sunglasses. So, and they're in pretty good shape, like very minimal scratches and markings on there. So I was very excited about that. Very, very happy. And if Auntie Violi, if you're watching this, those are for you. I'm so excited. I was like, I hope I find sunglasses before I send a like buying box to the Philippines, because yeah, I've just been on the hunt for them for her. So, then I found this beautiful Kate Spade bag. Man, this bag is pretty, right? Like, I love the structure. It kind of reminds me of like a Birkin, of like a Sac de Jour, even maybe like the Celine Edge, kind of like in style. It has the top handles. It doesn't like have like a crossbody or anything, like it doesn't have any of those attachments, so you won't be able to carry a crossbody, but I feel like this bag means business. Like it's beautiful, you can carry it like this, and then you can carry it in the crook of your arm, definitely not on your shoulder, unfortunately, but regardless, like the bag is so stunning, I love it. There's a front pocket right here, and then it looks like there are 2 open pockets. You can't see because it's like black on the inside as well. And then the back compartment, there's a zipper pocket in there. And then the middle compartment, which is right here, doesn't have like, and it's just like an opening in the middle. So it has 3 different compartments, main compartments for the bag. Beautiful. Like this would be, you can put like your laptop in here. It'll fit like your like papers, files, books. So this is perfect for like work. If you want, you can use this for school, but I know like how crazy school can get, and with a bag that's just a top handle, but I mean, you can make it work, especially since the bag is just like so cute. But yeah, it's beautiful. There's feet on the bottom. Look at the side. The side is what makes me feel like it looks like a sac de jour. Even like the way that the compartments are, sac de jour all the way in style. But yes, a beautiful Kate Spade bag. And it's like a gorgeous pebbled leather too, and I love the structure. Like this is like a beautiful shaped bag, and I don't think it's gonna lose its shape very easily. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And that is going to round out today's video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. It was so much fun taking you guys in the store. So happy that we found such great stuff. Like honestly, I'm so excited for the Lake Crusade and the Antisocial Social Club jacket. Cannot wait. But also the Kate Spade is fantastic, and the fossil is too. Those 2 things will definitely be up for sale in the shop if you guys are interested. And oh yeah, the sunglasses, yes. Auntie Jolie, you're gonna be so excited. I can't wait. And that is the end of the video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to tune in to tomorrow's Thriftmas episode. That's gonna go up at 7 a.m. Vlogmas is gonna go up at 11. Again, I'm doing 2 videos every single day for the month of December. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all in the next. Oh, tune into today's vlog. It's up at 11. So check it out in a few hours. Okay, bye.